Okay guys, 2007 Mazda 3. This is a 2.0. Let's just confirm that. Right there, 2.0. 4-cylinder. We're gonna change this engine amount. It vibrates with AC on. As you can see, it's broken. The fluid has leaked out. So this is the engine amount right here. Take that off me. This is the part number right here. That's the brand. It's about $110 for this engine amount. So it's gonna go just like that. Okay, so we're gonna replace this baby. Job should be very easy. We got the floor jack. I do have the cover. I did not remove the cover, but you don't need to. Right there on the oil pan. And we just want to support this engine so it can just kind of lift up, so that way there's no load on the engine mount. So what we're gonna do next is we have to remove this reservoir. So we're gonna push those tabs and get this out. Okay, so down here, right here, we're gonna push that little tab in there, and we're gonna get this little guy out. There's one more over here. It's already out, and this thing should just come out just like that. Let it sit there. Do not stretch this. Point here. Do not stretch any of this. Sometimes these are weak and it will crack. This is a new bottle, so we're safe here. So I need to take out 2 bolts and 2 bolts. Let me get the tools. Okay, so got a 17mm deep socket. I still want to have these bolts on because sometimes your floor jack might not be supporting it. So let's see what it does. Yeah, it is supporting it, but not as much. So let's make it straight. Right now there's no load on this engine mount, so sometimes the stud will come with it. That's fine. We'll tighten it right back just like that. We got this guy out, and then you got 1 bolt back here, and then we have 1 more bolt over here. And that's how simple this is. The mount should kind of come out. So usually see the hydraulic fluid leaked out. So inside it's not holding like it's supposed to. It vibrates with the AC on. Okay, so we got the new mount, and yeah, this one is like much firmer. It's more higher. We're gonna put this baby in just like this. So now we need to get this stud in first. Catch the threads. We're gonna get the other 2 bolts. Sometimes your engine will move, so you can kind of wiggle it around. Line the bolts. Okay, let me just make sure I got the threads good. I want the engine and the mount to be flush, though, so that way when I lock up these bolts, the mount is not taking any force to the side. So next, lock that up. That's that. I'm gonna grab this last nut here and pump the engine a little bit more. That's it. This guy is done. We're gonna put the bottle back. But you know what? Let's bring the engine mount down. So right now we got the floor jack is out. It's sitting on the mount. Perfect. We're gonna put this in. Should click right in, and that's it. 20 minutes. You're done. Thank you for watching my video.